When it comes to tech gadgets, the coolest will always leave you dumbfounded. You find yourself wanting them even if you suspect you don't absolutely need them. But even if you don't need them, it's nice to treat yourself from time to time. And the best gadgets should still be incredibly useful and make your life easier. And that's what these advanced gadgets do. Number 10. Dyson PureCool Purifying Fan. This isn't your typical cooling tower fan. This is a high-end purifying machine from Dyson and one of the best gadgets you can get for keeping your home clean, filtered, and at a comfortable temperature. It's equipped with HEPA and activated carbon filters that remove gases and 99.97% of microscopic allergens and airborne particles. It's got built-in sensors that detect air quality levels in the environment and adjust filtering accordingly. Number 9. Amazon Astro Household Robot. In late 2021, Amazon announced a trio of new household robots during a live virtual event. Unfortunately, for early adopters eager to get their hands on the coolest tech gadgets of 2022, these bots are still only available by invitation and not to the general public just yet. Most preferred robot out of the three is the Astro, an anthropomorphized household assistant that can move freely around your home and keep an eye on things. Treat it like a pet or use it as a security drone. The choice is up to you. Number 8. Amazon Echo Show 15. Keeping families together is the intention of the Amazon Echo Show 15, which is the company's largest size smart display to date. It is precisely the kind of device that helps keep household members connected with all the happenings around the home. With its dynamic widgets that deliver relevant information to the lovely-looking 15.6-inch touchscreen panel it's sporting, the Echo Show 15 craves to be wall-mounted in community locations. Number 7. Google Nest Mini. Google is still the top dog for voice assistants and smart home platforms. And perhaps its most radical move was the Nest Mini, a small and cheap speaker that is fully imbued with the powers to command your smart home. Once you get used to interacting with a voice assistant, it becomes rare for you to have raised your voice or repeat yourself to get the Nest Mini to understand you, even when you're on the other side of the room, half asleep at 1 a.m., telling it to turn the lights off, shut off the TV, and lock the doors. This Nest Mini will understand. Number 6. Anker Soundcore Frames. Wearable audio is the new tech trend. The Soundcore frames from Anker have speakers integrated into the temple that deliver impressive audio to the ear, which you can also customize via EQ settings in the companion app. It supports touch and voice controls, letting you control music manually and execute tasks on your mobile device with the aid of Siri or Google Assistant. Number 5. LARQ Bottle PureVis. Do you ever wonder what's in the water you're drinking? Well, you can eliminate fears about germs, bacteria, and other microbes with the LARQ Bottle PureVis. It's an insulated water bottle that uses UV light to sanitize water. Available in various colors, it'll keep your beverages cool for 24 hours and warm drinks for 12 hours. When drinking water from the LARQ Bottle PureVis, you can initiate a 60-second cleaning that will neutralize odor-causing bacteria and viruses. Number 4. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. There are standard video doorbells, and then there's the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It's widely considered the flagship model in the video doorbell industry because of its advanced technology it employs to keep watching on happenings around your front door. Specifically, it's unique among its competitors because it leverages radar-based 3D motion detection and bird's-eye view to pinpoint precisely on a map where someone has been around your front yard. You won't find this tech in any other doorbell at the moment. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. Grazing that middle ground between beginners and enthusiasts, the DJI Air 2S is the superior all-around drone that's incredibly versatile. With its compact design, you can easily throw it into a backpack for a day trip to capture spectacular aerial footage of your endeavors. With its 1-inch CMOS sensor, you'll be able to snap detailed photos and crisp 5.4K videos. If you've never flown a drone before, the DJI Air 2S is perfect for beginners because of its responsive controls, safety features, and reliable video transmission feed. Number 2. Withings Body Scan. Revealed at CES 2022, the Withings body scan is what you would get if you have a doctor that never leaves you alone. On top of the obvious function of informing you of your weight, the Withings body scan will also tell you the fat mass of your whole body, including separated percentages for arms, legs, torso, and so on, and inform you of your vascular age. On top of that, it is also able to give you a neuropathy score. All of this is done through a bar that comes out of the scale. This bar sends low-voltage electrical currents through the body via electrodes and measures the resistance of tissue to the current. Number 1. Vaonis Vespera Smart Telescope. The Vespera takes the work out of stargazing. The scope takes the image hitting its sensors and sends a line view to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi. This means you can set up the telescope outside, jump under the covers and tour the universe, or link it to a projector and impress your date. The app presents a list of cosmic points of interest to point the telescope towards, like the birth of a star, and the motors and GPS aboard the telescope point the lens in the right direction. From there, you can watch the view live, take stacks of photos to reveal more detail, and share what you're seeing with friends. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.